Hi guys, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with an unboxing. Yay! So I participated in Tony Craft Purge's Christmas embellishment box group swap, and I got notification that I got a package in the mail. I ran so fast to open it. I don't know, there's something so great and fun and thrilling about opening Happy Mail. So we're gonna do this together. And the box is actually still cold because it's been sitting outside, and in here in New York we are feeling a little wintry. So I'm so excited. I don't know who I have, so I'm just gonna start unboxing and opening this fun package. Again, thank you, Tony, for hosting another successful group swap. I know it takes a lot of coordination and planning because there's a lot of us and you want to make sure that everyone sticks to the plan. Oh my god, look how pretty this is. This bow is everything, and I am just gonna leave it as is. Oh my god, how pretty is this bow? That is one perfect bow. Oh, and you use fancy scissors. Oh my god, I know who this is. Okay, so this is my girl Olga. Yay! Okay. She is For the Love of Crafts, and again, I'll leave all of the information to these talented ladies. Again, such a wonderful gift to receive so many of your favorite crafters that you follow on Instagram and get to receive their work. I'm just gonna take out this tag. Girl, this is so pretty. So she created this little shaker tag, and I call her my crafty professor, and there is a reason why. She just has all these like fun ideas, and she is an OG crafter. So she gives me so much inspiration on the rag. So pretty. I love what you sprayed on that poinsettia. And I kind of like how you squished the little glitter balls. And here's her box. So she has a little dangle on the side. Oh my god, look how sweet this is. So she used one of those little puffies and she punched a little hole in it, and then she has her wire wrap beads, which are perfection, and these beads are so cute. I love how you use that little flower sequence on the bottom. I love this, Olga, so much. And here is the top of her box, the little car with the Christmas tree. She added some bling here and there. Love that. And I secretly wanted her box because she's in Texas now and I can't really see her as often, so this is nice to hold her work. And thank you, Tony, for matching us. So this is a little seam binding. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love how you did the little green trim around the sides. I'm gonna open her box. There you go, Craft Purge. And that is her Instagram, For the Love of Crafts. I wish I did something like this too, because you don't know how much stuff is gonna fall out. I love the little eye pins, just the little whatever these things are called, berries, the little wood pieces. You've got little icicle snowflakes, you've got wood snowflakes, you've got little beads in here. So stinking cute. Love it. These little snowmans are adorable. Yay! And then a whole bunch of jingle bells, some really pretty laces that you've bundled up really nice. You got these little springy things from the Dollar Tree. Ooh, these little bell charms are cute. And she included a whole bunch of fun silver charms. I love these pine cones. I actually include some in mine. You have some angels. These are really pretty. Really pretty. And some candies. And this little charm. And then you got more buttons. These are nice to use as little dangles. These are cute little buttons. These little reindeers are adorable. And then you have some little candy cane charms and these little pink like diamond thingies, and then little bundle of sequence mix. I so love it. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Oh, got little diamond gems falling out. And I hope I can close this box. Okay, there we go. That is box number 1, and I'm already so thrilled. Okay, we got box number 2, and this is wrapped so pretty. So you got this pink bag with this jingle bell with seam binding. You know what? I don't have any red seam binding, but you guys are making me want some. Never-ending joys of Happy Mail. I'm just going to open this up. I don't want to cut this. Such a pretty bell. Love the seam binding. And let's see who this is from. Okay, so here's the tag. That is really cute. Layered it up on this beautiful, I think that's April's rosette, because I can tell the sugaring anywhere. Layered it up. I love this little sprig too. So pretty. This ribbon is so cute. I love this ribbon. Need that in my life. I love the Nouveau drops again. Super cute. I don't know who this is from yet. But this, what? You guys, I really need to use my wide ribbon. I don't think I have that much wide ribbon, but the way you guys are wrapping these prezzies are like, wow. And look at this huge like dangle situation that we've got going on here. Oh my god, this is so cute and so frosty. I'm loving this. I hope I could just slip this off. Yes. Okay. Oh my god, how pretty is this? So they decorated this box with an envelope on top of the box. Oh my god, and look at this wax seal with the little like golden sprigs. I'm gonna open the seal. What a great way to send extra goodies. Wow, you sent a bunch of goodies. What? I didn't know it was the die cut challenge. Wow, these are so pretty. And you know what? You can never have enough like die cuts. Oh wow, I'm so happy. And then, oh my god, you crazy. Like so much ephemera. Wow, season's greetings, happy holidays. You got these little math little equations here that equals to 25. Love that. Got a little shaker card, a little Merry Christmas. Ooh, what's this? A little chipboard? Like a little embellishment? How cute is this? Capturing the magical moments of December. And there's more die cuts. Wow. Oh, these must have fallen out. Love this. And then another shaker. So cute. I'm dying to know who sent this. So you open the box. Oh, okay. This is from Allie. Paper cut goods. How sweet is this? And then you included a real Polaroid. That is so pretty. I love the presentation. And girl, this box is totally my vibe. Oh my god. So we've got this little itty bitty embellishment. And then you've included some really adorable wax seals. Santa Claus. Oh my god, this one's so pretty. With the like scene. Oh, I love those so much. So pretty. And all the pastel colors. This one you've included all these fun little clips. I've never seen a little one like that. That is adorable. And some chain, ball chain. Ooh, and some like more pins. Love these. Put some good use to this. And then we've got this really pretty sequence mix. Adorable. You got these two, a little wreath and a little Christmas tree. Oopsie. So cute. We've got a whole bunch of stars in here. She's got star chipboard, star puffies, outline stars. And then you got a little star charm. I love the little star pocket. Okay, and then let us see what else. We got a whole bunch of die cuts here. Oh, I love these little labels and the paper you used. Well, like it has like a sparkle to it. It's so cute. And here's a little, oh wow, this is a sewn. Wait, hold on a second. Let me open these. Look at these out too. So she's got some little itty bitty bows. Some Christmas trees. I love this paper. How stinking cute. You know what? Die cuts are the best because it does all the hard work for you. I love this so much. Yay. And then this little, look at this little clip number. I'll take this out. And she did a whole bunch of stitch banners. She's done a very good job of wrapping it. But die cut, stitched it. I'm just going to keep this in the bundle because we don't need to make a big mess. And I like to keep it pretty. So cute. I'm in love with this box. And this little Santa hat. You got a little knick-knack pocket here. This little Prezi, a little candy cane, a little, oh, cookie cutter. How cute is that? This little Christmas tree, an acrylic heart. And oh, how pretty are these little acrylic snowflakes. Wow. I'm just gonna, man, you know how you take it out with excitement and it never looks the same? Putting it back in. Okay, and then here is like the little bow section. Oh my god, look how cute these bows are. They're so little itty bitty, and you got some rolled silk flowers. How pretty are these? So pretty. Okay, let's try to make this as cute as possible, or at least similar to how you received it. Okay, and then this is like the bead pocket. You've got a whole bunch of fun beads in here. Some spacers. I love these. I love this little star bead. It kind of reminds me of the Toy Story ball. So pretty. And then again, more little knick-knacky fun items. Some tassels, some sugary peppermint candies. Wow, so much fun. And then this one, you got jingle bells, fun, pretty colors, and these sequence balls, which are so fun to dangle. Again, wow, this box totally rocked. I'm loving everything you included in it. And yay, I'm so excited. Okay, this is semi looking okay. I just want to make sure I can close this box. Because Allie, you totally fill this box to the brim. And again, thank you so much for all the pretty die cuts, and your bow was adorable. I'm in love. I'm totally going to keep it the same way, and hopefully I can slip it onto another project. So pretty. And then last but not least, oh, we have another pastel-y number. I love pastel Christmas. So let's see. Oh, we got a lot of, I'm not sure if this was supposed to come out, but this bag is filled with peppermints. I have not had a peppermint forever, so I can't wait to open one of those. And you got this little ho ho ho. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, and this chunky Christmas. Got a little bent in mail, but totally gonna use that. Let's see. I feel like I know this. Who made this box? I've seen this. So you got wrapped in this beautiful eyelash trim. And then you got this little goodie bag. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is Laurie! Yay! Oh my god. I was like, I know I've seen this. So this tie, girl, it's so thick. She layered its chunky monkey over here. She put a Christmas tree, this beautiful Christmas, like decorated with the snowflake in the back. It is thick too. I love how you layered this up with the bow on top. Oh, so pretty. And here's the back because she's extra. So pretty. But look at this box. Girl, you put in so much work. This is all die cuts. I mean, the presents, just all the the details that went into this. And girl, you added all these little snowflake sequence on here. So pretty. I love the little ornaments that you added to that, that trim thing that everyone's been obsessed with. And look at this glittery goodness. Totally made this like a winter wonderland. I'm just gonna open the box. And here it is. Wow, she added her little sticker. So pretty. And then you added this gold paper. Ooh, and then you have more die cuts in here. It says Merry Christmas. But look how pretty this box is. So gorgeous. So she has her little rosettes, a little deer, and I love this little deer. So cute. She's got a little thing of stars. Love these. Some tassels. So cute. A whole bunch of charms. Yes. Love these. Got these little flat back resin pieces. Some sparkly little light bulbs. Some cookie cutters. The Dollar Tree little springy thing. And some jingle bells. Ooh, we got some reindeer buttons. Ooh, this little snowman, what is it called? Eyelet? Yep. Here is this resin piece. I just picked some up too. These are so cute. And some Starbucks cups. How cute are these? Yay. How fun. Okay, I've got this little bow, little thing here. All these fun little flatbacks and charms. Ooh, we got the little snowflake department. I love them. They're so pretty. Lori, this box is like a visual. So cute. We've got some fun little beads and dangles, and I love these little sequence balls. I don't have much, so thank you, ladies, for hooking a sister up over here. Again, more little frosted numbers. And whoa, you guys, I am so ecstatic with my boxes. I'm so happy again with the group I received. It is always such a pleasure to receive the work of people you really respect. And again, thanks to Tony, the host, for getting us with another successful group swap. I'm so obsessed with this dangle. Totally keeping this. So pretty. And that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. And again, I'll leave all of the ladies' information down below. Thanks for watching. And if I don't come back, have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye, everyone.